The first step is to prepare your phone. Step 2. Go to this website and watch short videos. Step 3. Choose among the multiple payment options such as PayPal to cash out your money. Good day, everyone. In today's article, I'll teach you how to earn $70 every day by just viewing videos. This is a whole new strategy. As you can see, individuals from all over the world are generating a lot of money by simply viewing movies on this website. This money will be deposited into their bank account directly. This list is updated every 10 minutes, which means you'll see new users and fresh payments being paid out to folks all across the world. Let's have a look at all of these payment receipts by scrolling down. I'm also reminding you to pay great attention to all of the procedures in this instructional video. All you have to do to earn this 100% passive income over and over is watch the complete video and follow the steps in this guide. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. Okay, this website is accessible from anywhere in the world, so anyone from anywhere may participate. You can receive payments using PayPal money, bank transfer, or any other way. This website has paid out more than $4 million to its members, and this website has about 3,000 reviews on Trustpilot.com. If you go to Trustpilot.com, you can see all of the different evaluations from individuals all over the globe who have tried and utilized this website. Superpay.me is the name of the website. Before you go to this website, I'd want to point out that the majority of people who visit it believe that the only way to get money is to do surveys, but that is not the case today. Hence, I want you to pay attention because, as I previously stated, the majority of individuals simply go to this website and perform surveys for a few dollars. And believe me when I say that they wind up devoting a significant amount of time to these time-consuming questionnaires. As a response, I'll teach you a better technique to make money on this website. You may earn a free 20 cents join bonus if you sign up today. All you have to do is click on this Join Free Today button right here. Then you'll be sent to the registration page where you'll have to fill out the required information. Once you've made your account, you'll receive a free 20 cents. And one of the things I appreciate about this company is that they pay quickly. They pay within 24 hours, and you can get your money by PayPal or bank transfer. This website likewise has an extremely low withdrawal limit. As you can see, they have a $1 cash out threshold today. The first approach to making money right now is to do paid surveys. The second is to take paid trials and offers. The third is to watch videos. And the fourth is to get extra money through a website's referral program. As always, I'll show you how to make money on this website in the most efficient way possible. Personally, I would not advise you to participate in the surveys, but if you want to, feel free to do so. The quickest, most efficient, and wisest approach for me to get money on this website is to watch videos. The fact that you may increase the number of videos you view on this website is something I enjoy about it. This means you'll be able to view more videos and earn more money. Instead of watching the clips for 1 minute, you may watch them 4 times quicker, completing them much faster and even watching more. Because if you view videos on numerous devices or on different accounts, you can earn more money. Since you don't have to really watch the videos, you can just leave them running in the background while you do whatever else you want or need to do. And you're already making money. Isn't it incredible? If you are enjoying the video so far, be sure to give us a thumbs up and like the video. Also, down in the comment section, tell me what country you're from so I can do even more videos on how to make money online that will work for you and your area. Next, I want you to concentrate on the referral programs Because by referring others, you can earn a massive 25% of your referral earnings without having to do anything. Those folks are already generating money for you, and this is where you can make $1,000 or more without doing anything. This is fantastic since the website is enabling people all around the world to earn a substantial amount of money online. You can earn a commission by sharing this website on Facebook and other social media platforms, and they can earn a commission by doing surveys, trials, offers, or watching videos. So it's definitely a win-win scenario for both of you. When you look at this side of the website, you can see that many people from all around the world are cashing out and generating money. I'm going to show you how to acquire referrals and connections for free and on autopilot right now. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. Next, I would like you to visit beermoneyforum.com. This forum works so great since a lot of people use it to figure out how to make money online, and they will adore you if you inform them about superpay.me because you just show them a method to make money online. As a result, when they sign up for superpay.me and earn money, you may make money as well. This forum is quite popular and it has been around for a long time, with new users joining every day. If you want to make a free account, simply click on this register button right here and you'll be sent to this registration page where you can fill out the required information. Once you've logged into your account, go to this marketplace area and click on it. You may view different postings written by different people as you scroll down below. So when people click on the posting, for example, you may leave a direct link to the website. People will be sent to the superpay.me website if they click on that link. This is one of the most efficient and smartest methods you should follow in order to make money faster. But one thing to keep in mind is that you don't want to do it every day or your account may be blocked. To keep your account safe, just make a post like this 3 times a week. Additionally, this website, offshorecorptalk.com, will show you another forum where you can obtain free referrals. When you click on this register button right here, you will be able to register for this website for free in order to participate in various chats. As advisable, you should try your best to participate in forums such as this one in order for you to get more referrals and therefore earn more money. There are a lot of people that come to this website seeking money-making options. I want you, my subscribers, to work hard and work intelligently. Some users will visit our website only to do surveys, resulting you in earning less money. That's why they claim it doesn't work. That's why I want you to watch the video all the way through so you don't miss out on any important information about how to make more money on this website. Unlike beermoney.forum, you may now post more often on this forum. It's incredible that you can publish many times each day. You may continue to make money even if you stop doing this, since your link is still active on the forum sites that I just provided with you. And it's an excellent way for you to make money online on autopilot. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will always be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!